Hey, how's it going, Al? Great to talk to you. It was great talking to you earlier. My name is Devin. I'm with SEO Dallas, Texas. I'm just giving you that free video report I told you about where we're going to help you basically fix your website and make it a little more powerful in Google's eyes so you can outrank your competitors and get all those phone calls you're asking me about. Because I see right here your website, it's a good looking website. You're just not getting the phone calls you want. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And with the information I give you today, if you want to just take it and build your own website up and fix it yourself, that's okay. I'm just here to educate you. If you want me to do this for you, you can just let me know at the end of it. I'd be glad to help you out and take you on as a client. But without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So, like I said, your website looks great. It's very unique. I like the little water heater man. It's pretty cool. As far as content goes, the three things I'm going to talk about today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is king in Google's eyes, and they crawl your website, and they look for text. And they look at the actual text itself, and then they look at the pictures, the name of the pictures, and what's behind the text. And what they're looking for is keyword-rich content. That's how they rank you. So basically, keywords are what people typically search for when they're looking for someone in your industry. So you want to make sure you're ranking for the right keywords, and you want to seem authoritative. So to be an authoritative website in Google's eyes, you're going to want at least 1,000 words, up to 1,500. I'll do websites for people that have 2,000, 3,000 words. But looking at your website, you have roughly about 300 on the front page. Let me see. Wordcounter.net. Yeah, 327. So you have 327 words. So we're definitely going to want you to boost that up. You're going to want to get up to that 1,000 mark and that 1,500 mark. And then as far as the pictures themselves, BW. So they're not being saved as keywords. You're going to want to save them as keywords. Now to show you what keywords are, go back here. And I don't know if I mentioned this. This is Ahrefs before, or this is Ahrefs. So this is just basically a tool that I use. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it shows the back end of websites, so I can see exactly what kind of power is being generated on Google's end. So this is your website, allaboutwaterheaters.biz. And as far as the keywords that you're ranking for 52 keywords. Now you're ranking for your name, conventional water heaters Plano. That's a good one. Tankless water heaters Plano. That's a good one. That's not really anything for you. That's nothing for you. That's nothing for you. This is a good one that shows buyer intent. These show buyer intent. So these are all good ones to target, these buyer intent ones, but your rank is very, very low. And the reason being, you're on the second page here, third page here, third page here, third page here, fourth page here. So you're going to want to get to the front page, and I'll show you how to do that. That has a lot to do with backlinks. But that's the content you want to be targeting. You want to be targeting those buyer intent keywords. Now, if you go on Water Heater Repair Dallas, Texas, you take the top guys. They're going to be Baker's Brothers Plumbing and waterheaterdallas.com. Yelp doesn't count. So, Baker Brothers Plumbing, as far as their content goes, they probably got about 1,000 words, maybe a little less, like 700 words. And as far as the keywords that they're ranking for Dallas Water Heaters. That's a good one. They're in second place. Water Heater Repair Dallas, second place. Third place for Water Heater Dallas. So they're doing it the right way. But they're not first place, and I'm sure it has to do with, let's see. Nope, they're actually doing their images correct too. So they're doing their images correctly. Water Heater Services Dallas, Texas. They're ranking for keywords. So whoever did their SEO did it properly, so they could be seen by Google. So all we'll have to do is get in here, get some better backlinks, put some more content on there, and it'll be easy to beat them out. And then we can go to the next guys, which is Water Heaters Dallas. And they have less content. They only got probably about, I'd say, 400 to 500 words on there. And what they're being found for is Dallas Water Heaters are in first place. This is not a good one. Water Heaters Dallas are in first place for that. Not a good one here. Oh, this is a good one. Yep. These are all good ones. These are all buyer intent keywords. These are all things that people search up when they actually need a water heater installed right away. So they're ranking for the right keywords. And then they're just lacking in content. Now, as far as what their images are saved for, written estimates. So that's not good. So they are lacking there. Again, we can beat them there. So you're going to want to get your content up, and you're going to want to save those for keywords, and you want to be targeting keywords. Now, the next thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks. So backlinks are basically Google's like a popularity contest where you have like websites pointing to other websites, and a website that has more websites pointing at it in Google's eyes is shown as an authoritative website. So you're going to want to get as many backlinks as possible. So as far as your backlinks go, you actually don't have a bad job as far as the backlinks you have. I think you have like 8 domains and 22. Yeah, so 8 domains and 22 backlinks. However, the backlinks you have are not the backlinks you need. And I'll show you why. So there's 2 types of backlinks. There's do follow backlinks and no follow. And no follow does not pass any power, and do follow does. Well, out of these domains, only one of them is giving you a do follow link, and it's only one link. So those other 21 links you have are completely worthless. They're not passing any power to you whatsoever. They're probably just directories and stuff like that. So you're going to want to get some links that actually have do follow power, and let's just see what you guys are doing. So these guys next door, talking about Baker Brothers Plumbing as far as their links go. They got more trust factor and more power to them, and the domains they have. And on this tool, it allows, if you want to know how to get backlinks, with my tools, it's really easy to do. All I do is just go to the same backlinks that these guys have, and I take it from them. So like, let's go to, they have 11 backlinks here. I'll take the ones that are good, leave the ones behind, because you don't want stuff that has nothing to do with plumbing. Links are not made the same. So this, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't want this in Russian. I don't know what's going on here. But they're also getting a lot from their top. So coupon codes. Basically what I do is I come in here and I just take the backlinks that are good, leave the bad ones behind, and shoot that power towards your website. And then we go to the next guys here. Water Heaters Dallas. They've got 19 trust factor and really low power factor. So they probably have a bunch of spammy backlinks. So again, I would just come in here, take their exact same backlinks, leave the junk ones behind, and boost yours up. And they have 51 domains. These guys will probably have the most as far as the power against you. They've got 51 domains and 187 backlinks. So we would just have to take yours, add on another 43, and get another 43 referring domains, and get another 160 backlinks. But we're not going to just want to beat them or match them. We're going to want to beat them. So you're going to add on at least another 30 domains, and then another, I'd say, 50 backlinks on top of that, just to put a nice cushion between. So we're completely beating them out. So that's content, and that's citation or backlinks. The next thing we're going to talk about citations, and citations are important because a lot of people, I know you said you're not running ads, a lot of people really don't go to these ads too often. People just kind of gotten past that. And so what people do when they need a water heater, they type in water heater repair Dallas, Texas, is they're going to go to the first local guy that pops up. So you see Ace Water Heaters Only, Water Heater Repair Mesquite, Texas, and Water Heater Dallas, Texas. So being in this map pack link has to do with not only the content on your page and how Google analyzes you as an authoritative website, but also once they've viewed you as an authoritative website, you need to get citations on the web. And that's basically where they have your name, your phone number, and your address listed over and over. So if you look over here, Ace Water Heaters Only, and it's in different directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Bing, even Facebook has one you can do for free. This is the first guys. They got 15 citations. So we're going to want to beat that. My clients don't start anywhere below 60, so that'll be really easy to do. The next guy, second place, they only have 4 citations. So it's really an untapped market over there. We just get you the proper content and then add on 60 citations on top of that. You're going to beat them with nothing. Same thing here, Water Heater Dallas, Texas. They only got 22 citations. So again, that's how you get into the Google Map Pack. So what you're gonna want to do is we went over content, backlinks, and citations today. So you're gonna want to take that content and boost it up to at least 1,000 words, preferably about 1,500 words, and stuff it with those buyer intent keywords. After that, you're gonna want to get your backlinks up, and you're gonna want to add on at least another, I'd say, minimum about 70 referring domains, and then get yourself another 200 or so backlinks on top of that, and that way you're going to beat them all in the power and in the popularity contest that Google has. And then the final thing is you're going to want to get those backlinks or those citations so you can beat them out in the Google Map Pack ranking, and that way you're going to get all the organic search as well as the local search. So that's about it for you. If you have any other questions for me, just reach out to me. Here's my website, SEODallasTexas.com. You can always give us a call whenever you're ready. The phone number is 214-441-6737. So feel free to give us a call. And yeah, looking forward to hearing from you. Have a great day, Al.